Hi there, my name is Mary Yocum and I'm the Architectural and Commercial Manager for Schluter in Southern California. And I wanted to share with you one of the questions that I get asked every week, and that is, what is a recommended profile that can be used to transition from tile that will still meet the appropriate slope for ADA guidelines? And there are actually a few that you can choose. One, now all of these need to be 1/2 inch or less so that it will meet the guidelines recommended. So one of them is the Reno TK. This is a great one if you are transitioning to a carpet material, because you can tuck the cut edge of the carpet underneath this section of the profile and have a nice clean installation. The other one that is very, very popular is the Reno U. This, again, we're staying 1/2 inch or less, but this can go down to even a stained concrete application. So this is a very popular transition piece. The other one that is used quite a bit is the Reno ramp. Now, this can be used in a situation where we're driving forklifts or taking pallet jacks over it, so it's a very durable profile. Again, maximum of 1/2 inch, because it will come thicker, but if you're trying to meet ADA guidelines, you want to stay at 1/2 inch, and this leg will come in 3 different lengths as well. And then the final one, which we don't have marked in our catalog as being ADA compliant, and that's because this leg of the profile actually moves and is adjustable on site. So we don't know exactly where that's going to be set on site, so we can't notate that. But if you are meeting the appropriate 1 to 2 slope, then by all means, you can use the Reno V as well. So I hope you can see you actually have a lot of choices when you need to make that transition. So don't hesitate to reach out to any of your Schluter contacts. One nice way that I like to use is the great Schluter app, because that is right here on my phone. I go to floors, I go to transitions, and boom, it'll help me answer the question, so I don't necessarily have to remember it. So that's our tip for today. I hope you and your family stay safe, stay healthy, and we so look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.